Damn, they have a lot of. This is a lot of data. A lot of data. A lot to go over. A lot of information to make the right decisions. This is what this is. So yeah. So yeah. I forgot what ISIN means. Forgot. I used to know. Institutional owners, 316 total. Institutions is 276 long only, 13 short only, 27 long and short. Yeah, so that's 20. So there's not that much of them hedging. It's just really one-sided. That's a reflection, really, of the market right now, and of the somewhat of a bull market, I guess. Shares outstanding 447,371,310 shares. Institutional shares 38.5 million. Institutional value 913,000. I'll just have the AI read this.
Ownership and shareholders. TLRY Inc. US, TLRY, has 316 institutional owners and shareholders that have filed 13D/G or 13F forms with the Securities Exchange Commission, SEC. These institutions hold a total of 38,560,983 shares. Largest shareholders include Susquehanna International Group, LLP, ETF Managers Group, LLC, MJ, Ekfang Alternative Harvest ETF, Pentwater Capital Management LP, Susquehanna International Group, LLP, Jane Street Group, LLC, Susquehanna International Group, LLP, Citadel Advisors LLC, D.E., Shaw & Co., Inc., and Pentwater Capital Management LP. TLRY Inc., U.S., TLRY, institutional ownership structure shows current positions in the company by institutions and funds, as well as latest changes in position size. Major shareholders can include individual investors, mutual funds, hedge funds, or institutions. The Schedule 13D indicates that the investor holds, or held, more than 5% of the company and intends, or intended, to actively pursue a change in business strategy. Schedule 13G indicates a passive investment of over 5%.
Yeah, so moving on. So as you can see right here, Kennedy Brendan, previously owned, current shares, change percent, ownership percent. So yeah, these are among the institutions and institutional ownership. So we got Advocacy Wealth Management Services LLC. Oh, they just brought 25 shares, nothing much. Modest Advisors LLC. It doesn't show you the the share price, but it shows you how much shares. 1,601. Value 29. I think that's in the thousands. $29,000. And yeah, Amrex. Average share price $18.17. They brought 5,100 shares. Shares changed 13.33. Value, the thousands, that'll be. This is 94,000. Value change percentage 14.81. And yeah, return on the investment. So 2%, 2.1% out of how much is this shares? And so we gotta go to the calculator. So they brought at 18 point 17 times 1,500. Yeah. So out of this, they had a 2% return. So this is how much they brought 92,670 $667 purchase on TLRY. I'm a little sick right now. Alright. So really, how would you calculate that? Because obviously 100% of 5,100, that'll be is 100%. So if you go 50% of 5,100, that'll be obviously 50% is 2,500. No, 2,550. That's 50%. So not really on that. Not really big returns on that. And so you just keep jotting that down. That's 2,550. 25%. 25% would be over 2,550. That's around 1,000. 1,000, around 1,275. 1,275 is about 25%. So yeah, so you just keep. That's not really that much. Okay. And then you have right here, you have ISCG shares, Morningstar Small Cap Growth ETF. So really, they brought this thing. That's interesting because I don't know. That seems like at those prices, that seems like a dark pool or ECN really. At $13.18. TLRY has not sunk in that low, so I think that looks like dark pool trading, really. I mean, it was at $16, but that was on the 21st. And when was this? This was on the 28th. So yeah. So at $13.18, they brought 55,369 shares. Right here. Shares changed. The value, this is in the thousands. Value change, percentage, cost basis, profit, in the thousands. Oh, so this is the profits. Well, yeah. This is just the return percentage, but this is the actual profits, which is you had to. It's like you had to 10x it. Yeah, that's pretty good. So yeah, that's Morningstar ETF. So that's how much they made. That was on the 28th, I believe. Yeah, that was on the 28th for Morningstar ETF right here. Yeah. And then this is how much they made. That's their actual return and their dollar amount return. It's getting annoying. Nope. The fucking screen recorder thinks I wanna. Yeah, so I'll just have the AI read that.
-6-28 NP SROX Fidelity Zero Total Market Index Fund. Click for advisory. 18.34 12,941 237 0.0089 237 0 0.00 June 25, 2021 NP Tilt FlexShares Morningstar U.S. Market Factor Tilt Index Fund 20.19 3,400 56.11 62 29.17 0.0037 25 -10 -21.49 June 25, 2021 NP BBSC JP Morgan Beta Builders U.S. Small Cap Equity ETF 18.18 34,078 5,016.82 625 5,100.00 0.1462 607 6 46.61 June 22, 2021 NP Toke Cambria Cannabis ETF 18.22 47,724 36.67 875 38.45 2.2633 233 10 1.58 June 21, 2021 13F/A Capstone Investment Advisors, LLC Put 0 -100.00 0 -100.00 -882 0 June 17, 2021 13F Genios Wealth Management Incorporated 19.08 760 0.00 13 -18.75 0.0004 0 -3 -18.75 June 4, 2021 13F/A Lehman and Derafellow Financial Resources, LLC Put 0 -100.00 0 -100.00 -97 0 June 1, 2021 NP VSTCX Vanguard Strategic Small Cap Equity Fund Investor Shares. Click for advisory. 22.73 43,151 981 0.0645 981 0 0.00 May 28, 2021 NP SPGM SPDR R Portfolio MSCI Global Stock Market ETF 15.21 1,328 2.00, 30, 200.00, 0.0056, 0, 20, 197.90. May 28, 2021. NP. Jets Total Stock Market Index Trust NAV 15.34, 2,387, 0.00, 54, 184.21, 0.0063, 0, 35, 185.56. May 28, 2021. NP. SPDW, SPDR, R, Portfolio Developed World Excess ETF. 15.46. 41,354. 187.18. 940. 695.76. 0.0089. 417. 405. 343.40. May 28, 2021. NP. GWX, SPDR, R, S&P, R, International Small Cap ETF. 15.49. 59,182. 60.45. 1,345. 342.43. 0.1627. 345. 696. 228.92. May 28, 2021. NP. SPACs Silverpepper Merger Arbitrage Fund Advisor Class 22.73. Minus 8,430. Minus 192. Minus 1.2151. Minus 1.